अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। क्या आप पाकिस्तान आर्मी के सबसे मुश्किल और टफ सवालात का सामना करने के लिए तैयार हैं? आज के वीडियो में हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं पाकिस्तान आर्मी के 50 सबसे ज़्यादा अहम और कड़े सवालात, जिन्हें जानकर आप न सिर्फ अपनी तैयारी को बेहतर बना सकते हैं बल्कि अपने नॉलेज को भी परख सकते हैं। ये वो सवालात हैं जो अक्सर पी में, आईएसएसबी और पाक आर्मी की मुख्तलिफ टेस्ट में पूछे जाते हैं। तो आखिर तक वीडियो देखिए, अपने जवाबात कमेंट्स में लिखें और जानिए कि आप कितने काबिल हैं पाकिस्तान आर्मी में शामिल होने के लिए। चलें शुरू करते हैं पाकिस्तान आर्मी के 50 मुश्किल सवालात के साथ। बट वन पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड कि मैं जो क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पे शो करूँगा उनके आंसर्स मैं आप लोगों के लिए शो नहीं कराऊंगा, ताकि आप अपने माइंड पे जोर दें, आप ख़ुद सोचें और ख़ुद से आप जवाब ढूंढना शुरू करें। तो आइए चलते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। तो सबसे पहले मेरे पास जो सवाल आता है वो है, हु वाज द फर्स्ट कमांडर इन चीफ ऑफ द पाकिस्तान आर्मी? इन विच ईयर did Pakistan Army come into existence? Who was the first Pakistani commander in chief of the army? When was the GHQ shifted to Rawalpindi? Who was the first chief of army staff after the title changed from CNC? Which operation was launched by the Pakistan Army in 1965 to liberate Kashmir? Who was the army chief during the 1971 war? In which war did Major Aziz Bhatti receive Nishan-e-Haidar? What was the code name of the Kargil Operation 1999? Who was the first Pakistani general to become Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee? Which is the highest rank in the Pakistan Army? How many stars does a general wear on his uniform? What is the rank equivalent of captain in the Pakistan Navy? What is the lowest commissioned officer rank in the Pakistan Army? Who appoints the Chief of Army Staff in Pakistan? Which corps is called the Strike Corps of the Pakistan Army? How many infantry regiments are there in the Pakistan Army? Which is the oldest regiment of the Pakistan Army? The Frontier Force Regiment is also known as what? The Armored Corps primarily uses which type of vehicles? What was the code name of the 1948 Kashmir War operation? Which operation was launched against terrorists in Swat in 2009? What was the objective of Operation Zarb-e-Azab? Which operation was conducted to clear terrorists from South Waziristan in 2009? What was the main objectives of Operation Raddul Fasad? In which UN peacekeeping missions has Pakistan Army played a major role? Which corps is headquartered in Multan? Which corps is responsible for the defense of Lahore? Where is The Army Strategic Forces Command located. Pakistan Army Aviation Corps was established in which year? What is the main battle tank of the Pakistan Army? Which tank is jointly developed by Pakistan and China? Which is the standard assault rifle used by Pakistan Army Infantry? What is the maximum range of the Nasr missile system? Which missile is called Pakistan's nuclear capable cruise missile? Which indigenous drone was developed by Pakistan Army? Which attack helicopter is currently in use by Pakistan Army Aviation? The Buraq drone was used for which purpose? Which artillery gun is used for long-range bombardment? Which system is Pakistan's equivalent of India's BrahMos missile? Who is the current Chief of Army Staff 2025? Who is the current Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee? Where is Pakistan Military Academy located? In which city is the Command and Staff College located? National Defense University is located in which city? Where is the School of Infantry and Tactics located? When did Pakistan conduct its first successful nuclear test safeguarded by the Army? What is the motto of Pakistan Army? Which day is celebrated as Defense Day in Pakistan? Who is the only Pakistani Field Marshal? दोस्तों, ये थे पाकिस्तान आर्मी के 50 सबसे मुश्किल सवालात। उम्मीद है आपने इनसे बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक करें, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए ताकि आपको मज़ीद आर्मी और ISSB तैयारी से मुतल्लिक वीडियोस वक्त पर मिल सके। अपनी राय और जवाबात कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइए। आपकी फ़ीडबैक हमारे लिए बहुत कीमती है। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।